Welcome back to the Downtown Relief Fund and Holiday Auction, brought to you by West Shore Bank. The next basket up for bid is the I Am Woman, Hear Me Snore basket. But I don't snore. Don't listen to anyone who tells you otherwise. First up is a one-night stay at Hotel Indigo. A gorgeous skirt from Haystacks. Soap and lotion from Great Lakes Bath & Body. A beautiful necklace from Haystacks. A candle and a gift card from Relish. And finally, a shampoo gift set from Studio 415, plus a $25 gift card. It's the I Am Woman, Hear Me Snore basket, and you can bid now or forever hold your peace.